Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, we're going to walk through how to check which devices are currently logged into your Lendingclub account. This is an important security step just to make sure that only your device has access. Let's get into it. Now, the first step is to log into Lendingclub. So go ahead and open the Lendingclub app, or you can choose to log in on the website and you'll just sign in using your credentials. Next is to navigate to security settings. From the dashboard, you're going to tap the menu icon and then select settings and then go to login and security, or you can just go to a section that's labeled device management. Next is to view active devices. You're now going to see a list of devices that are logged in. This usually includes the device's name, the last login date, and of course its location. Next is to identify unrecognized devices. So now carefully review the list, and if you spot a device that you don't recognize, it could mean someone else has access to your account. Now just go ahead and remove or log out devices. Now next to each of the device list, you're going to see an option like log out or remove. Just tap it to disconnect that device immediately. Once that's done, the final step is to reset your password. If you find suspicious activities, it's always best to update your password right away and make sure two-factor authentication is turned on. And that's it. You've learned how to review and manage active devices linked to your Lendingclub account to keep your money safe. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.